This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a seed pocket thank you card using the Stampin Up Simply Zinnia stamp set and coordinating Simply Zinnia dies. Not only is it quick and easy, but it makes a wonderful spring gift, so let's get started. Here's my seed pocket thank you card, and on the front we have some zinnias in multiple colors, and when you open it up, there's room for a sentiment and a packet of zinnias that you can gift someone. This is the Simply Zinnia stamp set. It has the zinnia images, there's leaves, there's sentiments, sending flowers and thinking of you. Words fail to express my gratitude and thank you so much. This is a clean stamp set, and the dies that coordinated with it look just like this. So you get the dies to cut out the zinnias, and then you have extra dies to make a 3D zinnia. In this week, we also have the Flowering Zinnia 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. And this has multiple prints in it. The colors include Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Flirty Flamingo, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, Lemon Lolly, Melon Mumbo, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Puddle Pink, Pumpkin Pie, and Real Red. One more thing in this week is the Zinnia 3D embossing folder. So you can take this embossing folder and emboss your cards and paper crafting projects. 6 by 6. You open and it looks just like this. Alright, to make this seed pocket thank you card, I took a piece of that Simply Zinnia or Flowering Zinnia 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, and I cut this at 5.5 by 12. Then I scored this at 4 and 8. So what I'm going to do is take my bone folder and go over those score lines. Then, for the inside, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to take the corner here, if you can see this, and fold it down to the side. This is going to make your pocket. Now to hold this pocket in place, I'm just going to take a piece of tearing tape and put it along the bottom. One more piece. And then I'm just going to, you also can add a dimensional just to hold this piece in place. You don't have to. And then we're just going to fold this over. Now there's your pocket. Now this is cool because this card is actually made out of Designer Series paper. And it's a great way to use up Designer Series paper that you have in your stash. All right, so we're gonna decorate the front. I'm using the Scalloped contour dies. These are retiring as of tomorrow. If you like them, go ahead and order them. I like them. You have these scallop dies that layer. And I like these two particular dies because when you cut them together, they make a frame like so. All right, I've already die cut my frames for this, so I'm going to attach the basic white to Mill and Mumbo. And then I'm going to add some adhesive on the back. And put this right on the front. I've already stamped and colored my zinnias using Stampin' Blends. So we're just going to add these to the front. And then I have my sentiment that says the thank you so much. These were the timeless arrangement dies, but any dies, any rectangular dies in your stash will work. All right, and then I'm adding a double baker's twine bow. And then finally, a little bit of bling. These are the Glossy Dots Assortment Pack. So let's see if I can get these on without them sticking to me. Okay, that's our front. And then for the inside, I have another piece of basic white that I've cut with those scallop contour dies. I'm going to stamp this with the Layering Leaves stamp set. This is photopolymer, and I'm using the sending hubs. Okay, I'm just going to attach this to the inside. And then finally, I will add my seed packet. And there you have it. A seed pocket thank you card made out of a half a sheet of designer series paper that also makes a wonderful gift. You can find the Simply Zinnia Sweet Collection in my Stampin' Up store. It is an online exclusive, which means you're not going to see it in the catalog, but only online. You can buy the suite at lisafleming.stampinup.net. If you like my projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Instagram at peanutsandpepperscards. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Happy stamping.